What are the 3 trends of plastic manufacturing that will impact you in 2020? Welcome to my weekly video chat. Hi, my name is Samantha, the second generation owner of Glasfil Polymer Sdn. We are a one-stop plastic injection molding solution center in Malaysia. Plastic trends are changing every year. And here, I am giving you 3 trends that I observed for 2020 and forward. Trend number 1, sustainability. Our plastic production will increasingly incline towards sustainability and recyclable material due to the pollution awareness. Consumer now has the power of purchase under influence of social media. Research by the NYU Stern Center for Sustainable Business shows that products marketed as sustainable grew 5.6 times faster, indicating a shift in consumer preference towards environment-friendly products. Fairly recently, I have changed my purchase habits after investing in a menstrual collecting cup. Ever since then, I have not spent any money on menstrual pads. Also, consumers now would choose products that are conscious programs, such as Tom's shoes, to give away another pair to the underprivileged when you buy one of their shoes. If you are a product designer, you may want to think twice on single-use packaging, or you can also create a program or recycle program for your consumer. You may want to look for manufacturers that are sustainable program in place, or they could offer you sustainable solutions in terms of material and processing. Number 2, customized production. Ever since my father started the business, we see a decline in volume per order. However, we see a huge increase in model change. We are also working our way to learn this new trend of having low volume to certain designs, and quickly they will release the 2.0 version end of each year production. Due to globalizations, consumer has become really up to date on trends. Used to be on color, on fashion, now it's even on products like laptops, huge gadgets, and even cars. Consumer appetites are growing or being pampered with more choice of colors, more choice of designs, and even allow them to customize. One example is Nike ID. It allows you to customize the logo of the skin, the logo of the colors, and therefore manufacturers really need to come up with more strategic plans to win this game. Therefore, 3D printing and quick mold are also growing to be very important to create faster turnaround on the products. Trend number 3, small and compact products. I'm a huge fan of Kickstarter.com. Over time, I see that products created are smaller and slimmer in designs. They are compact and lightweight. These design features often are successfully backed by many. One of the few examples would be electrical products like irons or kettles are now made into very small size and can fit into a travel luggage. Even coffee machines now are really small. This actually determines that manufacturers' skills become really critical to produce designs that adapt to this kind of change, and also the capability of the manufacturers to get alternative products that are lightweight and yet maintain a better price solution. If you like my video, do not forget to like and click on the subscribe button. Turn on the notification to get weekly updates from me, and on manufacturing tips, on design tips, and some plastic injection insider tricks for you to create excellent products that works as a solution for mankind. See you next week, and goodbye.